successful trading.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring flow algo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
So welcome to Successful Trading for this weekly alerts performance review. Yes, I guess that's the name that we give to these sessions. So the aim on here is to take a look, hopefully not so long look to waste your time. If you are a subscriber already, you know about this because these are the alerts that our subscriber they get on Fridays, sometimes on Thursday nights, and they can trade them successfully, I must say, no pun intended. Well, pun intended, thank you. On Friday, and then the following week as well. An example was TWLo. This Friday, we're going to show that to you, the exact gain that some of our traders got out of that from the alert late on Thursday. Oh, boss, I'm already giving something away. Okay, that's fine, Telex. Okay, in any case, this was for the week starting on the 13th through the 17th, yeah? So this list of stocks were given, actually one of them was given on Tuesday, yeah? I believe it's FedEx, so you don't see that in here originally. So what can we tell you about this? We have on the other screen, we have our proprietary information, so we know how much actually each one of the stocks moved. And I guess we have to show that, folks, yeah, because people are asking, what is the efficiency of your trading system or whatsoever? So in average, we have a move this week of how much is it? So 6%. So in average, each one of these stocks in either direction move 6%. We can tell you that out of the list overall, the move were mostly bearish. How many moves were bearish? So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 out of 16 were bearish. So we have 75% bearish and 25%. Yeah, the math counts, Telex. The math counts bullish. So Roku, for instance, was bullish. And it reflects a little bit here on the, does it reflect even on the post? Yeah, because you see, this is what's misleading about this thing, because after I tell the system to show me what's the week when, for Roku, it's going to say like, oh, it only moved 3%. That's not the case, folks, okay? That's not the case, because obviously the stock did a variation. So for us, we had this, I have to bring it. I just have to bring it. I'm sorry. I'm giving away my secret sauce or whatever. So the system actually tells us the expected average move on the upward direction, the expected average move on the downward direction, and this is what was achieved. So for instance, B1 moved the most on the downside by -6.8%. Roku moved the most on the upside by 8.2%. But then at the close, then you're going to ask me at the close on Friday, unfortunately, that's what this is capturing here. It doesn't say -3% for the whole week. No, Roku made massive move, and 8% on here, my friend. Just to give you a comparison, this 8%, because we have that in mind, right? These on FedEx, we put the alert came in late on toward the close on Tuesday. We have proof of that because we're going to show you the actual trade that the trader took. This went as high as 650%. Yeah, we're going to show that in our Discord room. So an 8%, that's what an 8% move can give you as an example. And no, actually, no, that's not true. That's not true. This is what was expected. Okay, my bad. 6% was what was achieved. So FedEx went as high as 6% compared to an expected of. So that's why for us, we only have 68% of targets, if you want. So forecast achieved, that's what these numbers are. They're comparing the achievement versus whatever that the machine, the Telex AI was giving. Sorry about that confusion, folks. So let's recap here. So for instance, the expected move on Roku, we got that before at the time that we give the alert, was 9%. It achieved 8%, 8.2%. Boomer, boo. That's not good, right? Well, an 8% move here gave about 65. A 6% gave about 65% gain in 2 days. Imagine how much percentage that gain was under. But regardless, I'm wasting time as of now because the one that was absolutely a no-doubter, okay, or no-doubter whatsoever, expected move of minus 2% on Adobe, it did minus 10%. And then it's saying that achievement was 510%. But my friend, let me actually illustrate here for Adobe because Adobe started at 463. This stock went as low as 416 as of Tuesday. So the move on here that we're showing you, the 440 puts, that we recommend it because we give the strike and we know we trade weekly options here. So that strike of 440% on Tuesday with 3 days left, 3 full days. And here was Tuesday, what time, my friend? 7:15 Pacific time. So that's 10:15 Eastern. So within a day and a half or so in the trading week on here, less than a day and a half into the trading week, you had a whooping 2,500% on 440 puts. It's a 25 bagger. So yeah, we have done 10 baggers before, but this is not the first time we're doing a 20 something bagger. Remember, win was like 4 weeks ago, the puts again. So puts pay more, folks. Puts pay more. And we have this saying that, hey, so some of my traders are actually telling me to do that. So I'm going to show them that I'm listening. So what's our slogan? Oh, you don't need to be in the money to make big money. But my friend, what happened when you're in the money? Because this Adobe 440 puts was trading at 416. You make major money. So you don't need to be in the money to make big money. Okay, I need a whole movie on this. I have a few ideas already. You don't need to be in the money to make big money, but definitely super big money came in Adobe. So that was a clear winner of the week. Other winners that include FedEx, which we told you about that. So anything with big percentage here, 6%. Yes, this did pay in 2 days. It was beautiful thing. More than 600%. Though the achievement is only 68%. Again, how am I getting these numbers? Because now I'm gonna be sharing even in social media these numbers. I mean, the bottom line is here. The average on here of this move is 6.1% average move of stock. But you see my competitor or my competitor. I didn't know have competition. Oh my goodness. Successful trading have competition. I've arrived just to be mentioned in some of the trading the day trading subscription services that are out there, right? So for us, we are just, hey, ain't nobody starting. This has only been, we have been here less than 2 months, folks. But the system obviously is not a system that's being drive tested. This system was written, the code for the AI of this system was written in 2017. And actually, there's a trader who has been trading that for a longer than most of the subscribers now. He knows who he is. So, since not just me. So the big wins that were here, obviously by far number one for us was Adobe with over 2,500% under. Some of our traders, they sold on Monday. They got shy of maybe 600%. Some of the traders, they did that. Roku, it was a big win as well. B1, though the percentages here is right. I mean, B1 was a little bit frustrating because it gave money and then it removed money. You made money on B1 on both directions, but we were not quite, I mean, our standard is so high right now, successful trading. I mean, if you come in with gains within 200%, it's great. Congratulations. But I mean, how can you measure 200% gain on options, which, by the way, this number dwarf anything that we see on there. Go see the competition. If you are an outsider looking at this video right now, you are not a subscriber on here, go do the comparison by what's the average move. I can give you numbers that are published on there. There's one famous one we even have a review for them. So the question even now that people are asking, hey, is TWLo AI subscription trading a lot better than Flow Algo? Because Flow Algo has so many things. I don't know if somebody has taken the time to measure the return on investment on Flow Algo. We know that Flow Algo is very efficient. Don't get us wrong. We have featured numerous 10 baggers on Flow Algo because, hey, when big money mean business, they mean business, no joke. But here with our little AI at a little level, for how many weeks now? 7, 8 weeks? At least 1 10 bagger every week. And then when there's only one, my friend, so 600% on FedEx, I think a 10 bagger definitely on Roku, a 25 bagger on Adobe. Oh, TWLo, my friend, TWLo waited maybe until Friday. And so here, this is misleading a little bit because TWLo actually did make a move, a late move. So meaning TWLo, you won on both directions because TWLo did make a bullish move run on when was this? On Friday, which overnight those were 10 baggers as well. And some of our traders, they traded that live. They traded it. Yes, day trading, my friend. So how to learn to day trade in 2020 with successful trading subscription alerts is definitely a go. And in this case, I think most of them were in the money. So in that case, well, they made more money. I'm going to show you those trades live in our trading in our Discord room. So what has made money? Western Digital made money, maybe not to the tune of a 10 bagger, but Twitter as well made money for us. The Qs, Microsoft, or all of these, they made money. So here, if you have to ask me for a rating, what's the percentage success on here, my friend? The average is over 6%. 6%, even if we're looking at delta of 10, yeah, that's 60 cents of move that this system is guaranteeing you. So definitely on here, I will be hard pressed to say that something didn't move. For us, maybe I'm not sure that this one IQ. So I'm gonna give you. How many of them? 17. I'm gonna give you. So IQ, we're not happy with it. B1 gave money, but I mean we're used to more because it was actually our number one overall. Roku was number 2. No, Roku wasn't number 2. Adobe was number 2. So we were like, So in any case, so let's say we can remove B1 just because we have high standard. We can remove IQ because we don't like IQ that much anymore. And Lulu, the Lulus, J&J did pay. Starting on Monday, J&J, Johnson & Johnson paid on calls. Yes, those calls, they pay over 200% at least on Monday. Yes, we do remember that. So as you can see here, folks, the grade here for this one will be saying that a good 15 out of 17 were winner. I kid you not. That you make money. You made money. 88%. Again, the average, I'm gauging this by the average move on here of this stock was 6% this week. Last week, it was 5.9%, if you guys remember, right? Because you have to take the absolute value of this since it goes into both directions. Yeah, folks? So here you have it. Let's very quickly move on to show you some of the wins that our trader posted. Again, I'm bargaining with our trader. I need to give an incentive program to our traders to post their wins. Yeah, an incentive program. Well, let's see how that's going to work out, Felix. So just winners. If we go, let me scroll down. I just had a one-on-one session where we were going through this. Oh yeah. First, personally, I take full responsibility. Netflix, we tried something high level on Friday. It was a debacle for most of us. Hopefully, most traders didn't put that much into it. But there was one trader, he scalped this. In 3 minutes time, Mr. Keith, he made $500. Yes, he did. So on TWLo, Juice, oh Jesus Christ, every single time he got me. Mr. Thomas, aka Juice, he made 161% trading. Oh, he was actually trading next week 250 call, meaning that, okay, I'm giving it away. Oops, sorry guys, oops. So other traders, I know for a fact, they traded the weekly on TWLo, meaning expiring Friday. I know of at least one such trader here. Is that her percentage? Because I don't know what this is. So these screens. So I apologize for that. So 345% gain. Is that on TWLo? Yeah. Here it is. Close it at 360% on TWLo. Thanks God. On here. And then this is the FedEx one, right? Am I reading this properly? This is the FedEx trade, I believe, 625% yesterday. And then Mr. Thomas, aka Juice, made money on FedEx as well. So those two, okay, thank you guys for sharing. The rest of the folks, and here's B1, as I was telling you, right? So on 7:15, Mr. Thomas made 94% on it. But for us, by our standards, we're sorry to say it, but we need to own our stuff, right? That's nothing. Mr. B traded SPY. SPY was moving early in the week, and then it didn't do that much. Did anybody post on the 10 bagger? Nope. So I'm gonna beg. Let's go to our hangout, and we are gonna finish on there to keep the video within 15 minutes to see if they said some other people. There has to be people who made more money than that. So. what it is? Oh yeah, so the space trade, I think, was it after she got rid of her trade on B1 or something. It was have been some of this. It's entertaining here, folks, in our room. So I am not so TWLo definitely was popular, and that Netflix, hey, we cannot have them all. So Netflix evaded us, but we will come back with a vengeance next week. Plenty of earnings, folks. Let's just wait. I mean, no revenge trading here, as you know, no revenge trading at all. But Roku made money as well throughout the week. So folks, this is how the week went out for us. So if you're considering joining successful trading, here's what we can tell you. Two things. Yeah, we do not necessarily spoon feed you, but we're going to teach you and equip you with the tools on how to know how to fish for a lifetime. A bon entendeur, salut. And then the other thing is, you do not need to be in the money to make big money. On that, we wish you a very peaceful weekend. Please recharge your battery, get away from the trading, and come back super energized for the earnings season that starts in earnest next Thursday, more precisely. And we will be here continuing to cater the content of this channel to your liking. Until then, bye-bye. Have a great afternoon, have a great morning, have a great night. We enjoy and appreciate having you with us. Bye-bye.